Hey, what's up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. So today pag-usapan natin itong bagong pinadala sa atin ni SmartBro at ito ang SmartBro 5G Pocket Pro up to 900 Mbps. Now this is more of an unboxing of this new product that they sent us. At ito ngayon ay merong promo because this one, ang retail price usually ay 12,995 but currently it is being sold for 7,995. Now you have of course some choices no, kung ano gusto ninyong bilhin na SIM card. No? There is an available SIM card na 799 pesos which gives you only data for 30 days. At meron din naman na 199 pesos na may free 20 gigs but it also provides you with 6 gig plus 20 gig per day na connection for 7 days. So these are just some of the choices that you have if you're going to buy the 5G Pocket Pro. Ano ba mga use cases ng 5G Pocket Pro? Pwede yan sa mga walang kumbaga ay napiling plan no sa iba't ibang mga telcos na available o kaya naman wala pang available na telco no na gusto nila doon sa lugar nila and they just happen to be looking for alternative na internet connection no. At ito na ngayon no, this is the 5G Pocket Pro and this one is powered by Qualcomm no SDXS2 processor with 5,000 mAh battery and up to 15 gadgets no. Ano ba? Sino ba mga pwedeng kumuha nito? Pwede ito sa mga tao na naghahanap no ng kanilang bagong internet tool or connection tool. For those of you na mayroong Airbnb, may booking.com, o kaya naman ay may mga kotse no na kumbaga ay gusto nilang magbitbit ng modem no para sa kanila no? And every time that they would want to connect, yun na lang ang gagamitin nila instead of connecting to their smartphone na po pwede pa no. Remember 5G versus Wi-Fi, mas malakas kumain ng baterya ang 5G. So yan, so ito na no, this is our quick unboxing of the 5G Pocket Pro. We will have a proper review of this product. This is just an overview and also an unboxing video. So mamaya yun no, itetest natin to when we go to Cabanatuan City, itetest natin to within Metro Manila. And of course, just for now, this is just a quick overview of what this is all about. So this is just how big or small rather the 5G Pocket Pro is. At ito, pwede nyo ilagay ito sa kotse ninyo o kaya naman sa bahay, anywhere you would want. No? Basta mayroong connection ni Smart because this one is riding on the infrastructure of Smart. Right? So ito naman, every time you buy this, no, meron siyang kasama na welcome pack which is 3 gigs of free data. So meron siyang instructions kung paano i-avail yun. There is also warranty certificate. Okay. And now we have the massive 5,000 mAh battery. Ang laki ng battery. Okay. Look at that. And we have wall outlet. No? Ito yung pinaka parang charger niya. And we have another one for those of you na merong kotse. So yan. So ito yung gagamitin ninyo kung meron kayong kotse sa bahay. You can basically use this. Again, bagay na bagay kung meron kayong Grab, kung meron kayong Lala Move, kung meron kayong Move It, kung basta merong ganitong klaseng saksakan sa inyong kotse or sasakyan, no? Pwedeng gamitin. And, oh yeah, before I forget, no, meron nga pala sa loob dito na kable. Yan. Kable. Now, in this video, hindi muna natin itetest no, yung pinaka-connection nito because we will have a proper video or maybe article for that one para makita na niyo yung connectivity niya. But as I mentioned earlier, we will be testing this when we go to Cabanatuan later on. But for now, we will be installing a SIM. No? Ang napili kong SIM card dito is of course yung 799 which gives us 30 days of data. So how do you do that? But before we do that is ito yung pinaka-device no. Hindi ko muna tatanggalin to because this is of course something that we will return pa later on. Okay? So this is not ours. Battery, and we take out the battery. Merong nib dun sa may magkabilang gilid so that we can take out the battery of this device or maybe put it on or install it. There you go. Very simple. Hanapin lang uli natin yon. And let's just put it back. There you go. Perfect. And now before we turn it on, Meron tayong dalawang SIM card dito. We have the 799 and 199. Okay. Mas pipili natin itong 30 days of only data. 799 lang yan. There you go. Wow. Okay. Register to activate your SIM. There you go. So we now have the SIM card here. Finish your registration process. So step 1, insert SIM on your phone, scan QR code or visit Smart, and finish your registration process and wait for the confirmation to get your 3 gigs of data. Dahil mahina ang signal dito ni Smart sa studio namin, no? Doon tayo sa labas mamaya. But at least, no, for now, no, this is what we are going to do. So meron siyang kasama na SIM ejector tool right here. We're going to use that. Poke natin to. And boom. Gamit niya ay nano SIM. So we're going to remove the nano SIM from here. And then lagay natin dun sa pinaka lalagyan. And then reinsert natin, no, ang SIM. At yun na. Nalagay na natin. And then later on ay bubuksan na natin. Ito yung on button. Ito yung reset. Ito naman yung charging port na, yung Type-C, no? Ito naman yung WPS. WPS, kung meron kayong may mga devices na WPS enabled, press and hold nyo lang po yan. And then, pwede nyo na pong i-press and hold din yung WPS para mag-connect na sila, no? Yung button na yun sa inyong device, no? And usually a software or it could be a hardware, but this would allow for seamless connectivity. Turn on natin by pressing and holding. And hopefully, may baterya po tayo nito. No? Kasi kung walang baterya, ibig sabihin lamang ay we will have to try that later on. Yun, bumukas na siya. SmartBro. Okay, so now that we have installed it, no, we just need lang a connection. As you can see right there, meron na tayong 4G Smart dyan. But we have to, of course, register our SIM card, and we already have the instructions on how to do that. Kasi hindi po gagana ang ating mga SIM cards at bawal po, no, na hindi tayo mag-register ng SIM cards. I-scan lang po ito, no, at walang tayong magiging problema. That's it. You will then receive your registration details via SMS or, of course, no, dun din sa kung saan tayo nakapag-register. And this is also a way for us to top up, no, yung ating pong mga SIM, no? Of course, using the Smart application. Okay, so that's it, guys, no, for our unboxing, no, and a quick overview of this one. Stay tuned po, no, sa ating pong review of the SmartBro 5G Pocket Pro, no. Later on, no, we will be doing that, no. Please check out our website at gadgetpilipinas.net where we will be publishing our article and review. So that's it for our video today. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye!